This is not makeup. This is molten industrial material.
Lipstick doesn't start soft. It begins as hard industrial wax blocks. That smooth lipstick color starts as dry industrial pigment powder.
Machines crush color until every grain disappears into one smooth lipstick mass.
This liquid is poured into molds where each lipstick shape is created. As the mixture cools, liquid lipstick slowly hardens into solid bullets.
This is the first time the lipstick takes its final shape. Yes, they briefly pass lipsticks through fire to smooth the surface.
Each lipstick is manually checked. Even small defects mean rejection.
The finished bullet is fitted into its tube, becoming a usable lipstick. Once capped, the lipstick finally looks ready for sale.
Every lipstick is batch labeled manual for tracking and safety compliance.
Each lipstick is packed by hand, one box at a time. Boxes are sealed using controlled heat, tightening the wrap without damaging packaging. Hundreds of lipsticks are packed together, ready to move as bulk shipments. Sealed cartons are stacked carefully, preparing them for transport and distribution. After packing, these cartons leave the factory, heading toward markets nationwide. After hours of work, thousands of lipsticks stand ready for the market.
Now you know what really goes into something people use every day.